For this project, you're going to write 3 for loops. Each one is very simple, and I'm going to run them and show you what the output looks like. So the first for loop is just going to count from 1 to 10, and as it counts each number, it's going to say whether that number is odd or whether that number is even. So let me just run through it here. Notice it says 1 is odd, 2 is even, 3 is odd, 4 is even, all the way up to 10. 9 is odd, 10 is even, and that's it. That's the whole program. It's a very simple for loop, and that's what the output's supposed to look like. The second for loop that you're supposed to create is supposed to count from 30 down to 1 and say every number. That's it. So notice 30, 27, 24, 21. Keeps going down until it finally gets to 3. Oh, well, I'm sorry, down to 3, not down to 1. So it goes from 30 down to 3 and just says every number. So this is just practice counting down using a for loop. The third example, this is the trickiest one. It asks the user what they count up to. What do you want to count to? So let's say I want to count to 15. And then it says all of the numbers, so you'll see it here. It says all of the numbers up to 15, but notice it does it in just one say. It doesn't go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15. It just says them all at once. And let me just run one more. Let's say I want to count from 1 to 6 or something like that. Notice the punctuation here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a comma after everything except no comma after the 6. So it's a little bit trickier. Let me just run one more. So 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Notice no comma after the 10. So that's it. You're creating 3 for loops. One is going to count from 1 to 10 and saying whether the number is odd or even. The next one is going to count down from 30 to 3 by 3s, 30, 27. And the last for loop is supposed to count from 1 up to whatever the user chooses and then say all of the numbers at once with no comma at the end. That's it.